Welcome to Geometry CST release question number 85. It says, what is the value of x in the triangle below? To me it looks like this is isosceles. I know this one and this one are the same. Since this is a 90-degree angle, I can assume then that these base angles are the same. These two would both be 45, 45. That makes this a 45, 45, 90 triangle. The ratios that we need to remember for 45, 45, 90 triangles, it goes like this. It's 1, 1, rad 2. Rad 2 is the square root of 2. That's approximately 1.4. And so this is the longest part right here. In blue, just like the previous question, I had done one with a 30, 60, 90 triangle there. This one is going to be in this ratio where your legs are in the ratio of 1 and 1 to the ratio of rad 2 for the hypotenuse. So what I need to do to find x is I need to take this 10 and I would need to go back to a ratio of 1 from a rad 2 ratio. I would need to divide by rad 2. So my answer here should be 10 over or divided by rad 2. But you don't see that as your answer choices. We need simplified radical form. Radicals cannot be on the bottom in that form. So I'm going to multiply this by, to get rid of the radical on the bottom, I would multiply both the top and the bottom by rad 2. Doing so would give me 10 rad 2 over rad 2 times rad 2. That'd be like rad 2 squared. I could write it like that. And the rad 2, or the radical on the square part, would cancel. So I'd be left with 10 radical 2 over 2. This you could reduce to a 5 and a 1. The outside, the square root parts can be reduced in that way. Your final answer then should be 5 radical 2, since dividing by 1 is still the same thing as the number itself. So choice B for number 85.